What if the car you think you want isn't actually the one you need? We've been driving the 2022 Honda HR-V for 18 months and 30,000 miles, and today we're peeling back the layers of its true performance. Forget the glossy reviews. We're diving deep into what it's really like to live with this car, every day, all day. And trust me, what we've uncovered might surprise you. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about our 2022 Honda HR-V, a car we've been driving through every season, every commute, and every road trip over the past 18 months. With 30,000 miles on the odometer, we've pushed it to its limits, and we've learned some things that most reviews don't tell you. Is it as practical as they say? Does it still feel like a reliable companion? Let's break it down, starting with the things we didn't expect. First up, the magic seats. You know, Honda's clever little trick for maximizing cargo space. After months of hauling everything from groceries to camping gear, this feature has truly lived up to the hype. It's a game changer in terms of practicality, turning a compact crossover into a versatile workhorse. But here's the flip side. Let's talk about the engine. While it's more than enough for city driving, it struggles on inclines. You'll notice it when merging onto highways or going up steep hills. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to be aware of. And here's the surprising part, the fuel economy. We were expecting average performance, but in real-world city driving, the HR-V consistently exceeded our expectations. It's efficient, even when stuck in stop-and-go traffic. Now let's talk comfort. After 30,000 miles, how's the ride quality? We've taken it through pothole-filled streets, rough back roads, and long highway cruises. The ride is smooth, but there are some bumps in the road that can't be ignored, especially when the car is fully loaded. And the interior? The seats are still supportive, but some of the plastics have shown signs of wear. No major issues, but definitely something to keep an eye on. When it comes to the infotainment system and safety tech, let's just say some features have become indispensable. Apple CarPlay? Never leaving home without it. Lane keep assist? It's saved us more times than we'd like to admit. But let's be honest, the system can be a bit clunky at times, especially when it comes to the touchscreen's responsiveness. Still, after a year and a half, it's mostly been reliable. What about maintenance? Well, after 30,000 miles, we've had to stay on top of routine stuff. Oil changes, tire rotations, and so on. The total cost of maintenance so far has been surprisingly low, about what you'd expect for a Honda. No major repairs, but we did run into a few minor issues along the way. So if you're thinking about picking one up, be ready for the occasional hiccup. Let's get to the meat of it. How reliable is the 2022 HR-V really? Based on our long-term experience, it holds up well. We're still giving it a solid reliability score, and it's held up better than some of the other cars in our fleet. But here's the real question. Who is the 2022 HR-V perfect for? If you need a car that's practical, affordable, and versatile, it's a great choice. But if you're after power or thrill behind the wheel, you might want to look elsewhere. So, is the 2022 Honda HR-V still a compelling option in today's crowded market? After all, we've put it through, we'd say it is. Just make sure you know what you're getting into. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you driven the HR-V? What's your take? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest, real-world car reviews. See you next time.